What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shaleah Janae, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button down below and turn on those post notifications. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, then make sure you keep watching this video. Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be installing a T-part wig for the very first time. So this is a highlight ombre lace front wig, and it's a T-part. Also, it's synthetic, and it's by Estilar hair from an Amazon vendor. Y'all, when I tell y'all this hair is really mad soft, like, and even though it's synthetic, like when I had first pulled it out the pack, like I really, like, you know how wigs be giving like mad wiggy? Like this one, like obviously it's a wig, but like it was super soft. Like the hair wasn't giving like super synthetic, like, and that's what it is. But it feels like really good hair though at the same time. Like it barely tangled, and it wasn't like matted or anything like that. It was super soft, barely sheds, like really good hair. The highlights are definitely my favorite part of the wig, no lie. Like the texture and the highlights, really fire. But right here, all right, let me just tell y'all right now, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm not no wig install professional. I just do what TikTok and other YouTube videos show me to do. I probably did this mad out of order, but we just gonna get right into it. So the wig, it did come with a wig cap, but I didn't use that because it looks stupid. So I just went in with some makeup. I think I have the color like classic tan foundation, and I just went in and put that all over the inside of the lace, and then I put it on, obviously. And then yeah, y'all just gonna have to watch me because this ain't no tutorial. I'm just showing y'all what I did and what worked for me at this time in this moment.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world.
Alright, so the baby part here was kind of like tricky for me because I didn't want to curl the baby hairs because the hair is synthetic. So at first, I just used some mousse and then I used some freeze spray and tried to like blow dry it. But that wasn't really working. So then more towards the end, I just used the Got to Be glue, then used the freeze spray, and then used the blow dryer, and that worked way better for the baby hairs for me. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing for the baby hairs. And pretty much I just like tried to trust the process because at this was looking like a hot ass mess at first.
You understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, and another thing, I did use the hot comb like slightly. At first, I had on like the highest setting for the heat, but that was too hot and it kind of was like, I wouldn't say it was smoking, but you could just tell that it was way too hot. And then I turned it down to like the level 10 and that worked way better.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Alright, so now I'm taking off this edge band and I feel like it really came together. Like a wig is going to be a wig, but it don't look like how it looked when I first put this shit on. So yeah, this is how it looks. I put the two braids in it, but then I felt like I wanted to take them out, so I did take them out afterwards, but I feel like at the moment it did look cute like this. But if y'all have any tips or tricks for getting a T-part wig to look more like realistic for a synthetic wig, then definitely let me know down below in the comments. Other than that, what y'all think? So yeah, this is basically the final look for the install. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.